Hey, David Cole here, out in Seattle today. I am at this beautifully renovated property. It's at 161 18th Avenue, Seattle, Washington, 98122. There's been $400,000 worth of upgrades in this. And wait till you see this. So it's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,070 square feet. You ready for a tour? This is gonna be amazing. Check this out. Boom. Look at that. Just for starters, the outside just got finished with the renovation. Wait till you see the backyard, but we'll do that later. All right, here we go. It's listed by Ranjani Ravi. Okay, here is the living room. Open floor plan. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here we have where the dining room table could be. This open kitchen. Again, $400,000 worth of renovations on this property, just amazing. It's got a gas range. A little spot back here too for a smaller table. Has a nice island right here. We're gonna go upstairs first. So, a little closet right there. Got a half bath right here. All right, here we go. Okay, we have a bedroom. And air conditioning as well. A little nook back here for either a small little office or some pillows in the reading area, or put a hanging hammock. We have a closet. Here we have the primary bedroom. With the air conditioner. Here we have the closet. And then wait till you see this master bathroom. Look at that tub, imagine that. Look at this shower. Whoa, how amazing. I almost want to turn it on, but I don't think that's going to be a good idea. But imagine that, just the rain shower happening. And a secondary spigot. Just amazing. So beautiful. Whoops. Okay, so this is the primary bathroom. Let's go take a look downstairs where 2 more bedrooms are. And by the way, we have a big pantry right here as well for the kitchen. And down we go. Okay, we have a kind of foyer area. You can make this how you want it. We have the 3rd bedroom and a great big closet. Check this out. Let's go check out the other bedroom. Oh, we have some new ABS plumbing, a Navian hot water heater, and then you would put your laundry machine here. Here is the 2nd bathroom. Nice big tub. Look at that. It's amazing. Okay, let's go look for the other little bedroom or office, whatever you want to call it, but it would be a great spot for sleeping or working, or maybe a kid's room. It also comes with a nice closet. This could also be made into a little office if needed. So there's a lot of potential. Let's go look in the backyard. Okay. Look at this little major fire pit slash fire stove, whatever you want to make of it, but it's got this great big backyard for Seattle, that's for sure. Beautiful lawn, and also an entrance from the upstairs and the kitchen. Just a really beautiful property. Really grateful to be able to do an open house here. Hopefully we get some traffic. I'll be here till 4 o'clock today, and then tomorrow I'll be here from 10 o'clock to 12:30. So I look forward to seeing you, and thanks for tuning in, and let's make it a great day. All right, take care. Bye-bye.